Call Ivan too.
You gotta put it down. Alright, I'm gonna kick it off like this. Question. So who you know fresher than Chris? Nobody, Jack. The rest of y'all know from my ministry, yeah. We on 154. We posted in the trap. Y'all looking at me stupid, but what's wrong with that? So are you really a Christian or are you really a fried? Seem like Catholics, but no. What's your craving for God? People be asking me, Chris, when your CD drop? And I reply, just assuming that's the bad life stops.
Life stop, the beats drop, we keep going. Just like water, man, we keep on flowing. I'ma keep on showing up. All for my God, keep riding. For my squad, till the day I'm in the sky, just chilling with my God. See the dudes on the block, yeah, they still acting hard. They need to open up their hearts and minds and see God. Now that's hard, what's cracking?
You can't, right? You got it, I just wanted to come in and finish it.